The lesson starts with the teacher greeting the class and talking about daily life. The teacher asks simple questions such as buying food and drinks in the school canteen. These small situations will later become math problems that can be written as a system of equations. Next, the teacher explained the goals for today. Students will write a short story, turn it into 2 equations, solve the systems, and then design a comics that show the problem and the solutions. The teacher also explains clear rules for using AI. ChatGPT may help to give idea and to check answer, but students must still think, model, and calculate by themselves. AI is a helper, not a shortcut. The teachers then give a short demonstration of ChatGPT. On the screen, we see the teachers type a prompt asking for a few story ideas about students buying things in the canteens or at shops. ChatGPT gives several example stories. The teacher explains that later, students will choose one idea and adapt it so that it fits their own school and their own experiences. Now, it is the students' turn. In small groups, they open ChatGPT on their phones or laptops. Each group writes a similar prompt in their own words. They read the ideas from AI, discuss them, and select one that they like. Then they rewrite the story. They change the names, the place, and the prices so the story feels real and familiar. In this way, ChatGPT supports their creativity, but the final story is still their own work. After that, the focus moved to mathematics. From the story, each group decided what the 2 unknowns are. For example, X can be the price of 1 donut and Y can be the price of 1 iced tea. They write 2 linear equations based on the total cost in 2 different situations. Working together, they choose a method such as substitutions or eliminations to solve the systems. All steps are written by hand in their book or worksheets. The teachers walk around, give guidance, and checks whether the question matches the story correctly. When they have a solution for X and Y, students use ChatGPT again, this time as a checker. They type a short prompt that explains their story, the 2 equations, and the answer they found. They ask ChatGPT if their steps and results are correct. If the answer is correct, they feel more confidence. If there is a mistake, they read the explanation, discuss it, and fix their work. Here, AI works like a friendly reviewer. Next, students turn their work into a comic using Canva AI. They choose a comic strip, template, and plan 4 or more panels. One panel shows the situation in the canteen, another shows the total of the purchases, another shows the equation, and the last panel shows the solution. They add simple images, either from Canva library or generated with Canva AI. They write short dialogues and include the key equation and final answer. At the bottom, they add notes, text supported by AI, calculation done by us. At the end of the lessons, a few groups present their comics in front of the class. They explain their story, their equation, and how they solve the system. The other students can see how SPLDV appears in real-life situation and how AI can be used in a smart and responsible way. Then the teacher closes the lesson with a short reflections. Students share which part helped them the most, writing the story, solving the equation, or making the comic. The teacher reminds them that AI is a powerful tool, but human thinking, creativity, and honesty are still the most important part of learning mathematics. Thank you for watching this example of using ChatGPT and Canva AI in the Grade 8 Math. See you!